Hello guys. Today we will discuss about a great project which name is InShape. S in shape, the project name. So in this video we will discuss about team tokenomics bounty by tokens of InShape project. So pre-sale 1 is already ongoing and the 3 reason of investment is here. So you see that buy shape too easily to one click is here, and purchase limit of this one is 12 to 14, and the first app that uses blockchain technology to reward your workout. So you see that buy shape token to easily click here. Anyone need more information about this project to one click is here to easily download their white paper. Created through proof of workout blockchain, the shape token can be earned by wearing a smart watch while you walk or exercise via auto tracking your everyday activity. And the next thing is that how it works. So anyone not understand about this video, to copy link here easily to see this video to easily to they understand and every information about this InShape project, how it works. Getting started and earning token with Shape could not be simpler. It is means that it is so difficult to earning of make money when you exercise. So you see that watch connected, American football, other Australian football, 9.93 earning running. If you run, so you if you running start running, so in this way to you start earning. So get notified. We plan to launch our app in H1 2022. Your email address, you click here, put the email addresses here to I want to know, and easily to download their app. So the next thing is that futures, fair and secure and shape a platform will be use sensor fusion, data analysis, and more information about this wonderful app. And the easy to use, flexible. Our app will support smart watches such as Apple, Samsung, Huawei, etc., as well as activity tracking apps such as Apple Health and Google Fit. So our monthly shape token earning estimates by exercising and using our app, 120, 600, 1200, and 300, 3000. Instant effort, workout, and hard effort. And you see all the thing is here very simpler. You see and you understand the value of a shape token comes from our large scale win-win partnership. You see all the thing is very clearly. White paper on page, use white paper on page, everything you very nicely you understand. Buy shape tokens, $100 buy shape tokens, people with USDT, Ethereum, BBTC, and 5% of bonus if you buy a token of $500 and $1000, 10% bonus precede one, and you easily to buy this token on their stages. Download a wallet. To easily download a wallet, buy crypto with your credit card. With your credit card and exchange crypto for shape tokens. Everything is mentioned is here. In shape overview, BC token contract, blockchain technology, token name shape, token symbol 18, token type, utility token, promotion, dedicated shape token supply. Everything is mentioned is here very nicely. And you see there's tokenomics of this great wonderful project, wonderful tokenomics. Total supply 300 million, listing price 0.10 dollar, and the token allocation, the percentage and lockup, early backers, teams, advisors, bounty campaign 5%, and the pre-seed 1, pre-seed 2, everything is here. So this is the great project, great roadmap. If you see Quarter 1 idea found, market research and competitor analysis, concept and project main purposes, and the Quarter 3 team setup, choosing the right blockchain, and the block mobile app, UI design, website launch, white paper, marketing and promotion. everything you hear very nicely. A dedicated team of engineers, specialists, products designer, health expert, and sport trainer are uniting their powers. 14 creative and dedicated peoples, years of blockchain experience, years of combined experience. Founders and advisors, view bio, and you see here it is a very nice executive team, and Valdemir Zelet and Nicolita. You see all the team of there. This is a very nice and wonderful team. Sold out by token at 70% off. If you see all the thing is very nicely. So we come back, learn more about early stage fund use and pre-sale. So in this we discuss all the things. We click the bounty, so you see all the bounty program of the this great and wonderful project. You see all total allocation, and the blog article campaign videos. You see all the things very nicely, but it's been not shortened and unique, and this is made a 2 minute long video, and it's a very nice and good. It is a very nice project, so everyone invest and join this great and wonderful project. So I request to everyone, please join this. Thank you very much.